This is my car, Sadie. She's a Mercedes E320. We bought her for a little underneath 4K about 2 years ago, and she had some maintenance issues, but she still got me to point A to point B. And I know she isn't the sharpest tool in the shed, but she did her job. But sadly, it's time to put her up for sale. We've been driving her for 2 years, and we're just going to invest into another car. But before we put her up for sale, I'm going to need to detail her carpets, wash the inside, and prep her to be listed. And after we're done cleaning her, we're going to list her from 6 to 7K on Facebook Marketplace. And driving a car for 2 years and making around 2 to 3 grand off of it is an amazing deal. So this is the footage of me cleaning her. Hopefully you guys enjoy.